All right, let's hit those biceps with dumbbell 777 arm curls. This classic combo targets the full range of motion and pumps serious volume into your arms. Start standing tall with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing forward, elbows tucked in at your sides, and core engaged. Begin with 7 reps from the bottom of the curl to halfway up, stopping when your forearms are parallel to the ground. Next, go right into 7 reps from the halfway point all the way to the top. Squeeze your biceps hard at the top of each rep. Finish with 7 full range curls, down all the way, then curl all the way back up with control. That's where the burn really sets in. Common mistakes: don't swing the weights, don't flare your elbows, and don't rush. Keep your form locked in and stay in control of each rep. Need a modification? Use lighter dumbbells or pause briefly between each section. Want more of a challenge? Slow down your tempo or add a squeeze at the top.